Hello boys and girls, welcome to this presentation. In this presentation we're going to talk about Unit 2. The question says, solve the equation 20 minus 3 bracket 3x minus 7 equals 5 bracket x plus 5 bracket plus 2a. Now, in this question we're going to talk about the steps of solving equations like that. Now first, you have to know that we have steps and we have order of solving. Now, as you can see here, we have brackets and we have constants multiplied by the brackets. So this is the first step that you're going to do. You're going to multiply the constants in the brackets and then do the plus and the minus, or the addition and subtraction signs. Now let's start with the first side of the equation, this side. Let's multiply 3 by the bracket. First, we have to write the whole equation so we don't forget it. We have 20. Let's put it here. 20 minus. Now, some people will say 20 minus 3 is 17. That is wrong. We can't say that because 3 is multiplied by the bracket. So we have to multiply the bracket first and then do the subtraction. So 20 minus 3 is 17. This is a wrong step. Now, we wrote this one. Now, let's do the multiplication inside the brackets. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, and we write x as a variable. Yes. And then negative 3 multiplied by negative 7, negative by negative is positive, and 3 by 7 is 21. 21. Now, this is the first part of the equation. Now, in this side, we still have things to do. We have 20 plus 21. We can add them together. Now, I didn't take the negative sign because the negative sign is with the 9. I can't take it. Now, 20 plus 21 equals what? Very good. Equals 41. And then I have negative 9x. I write it here. Negative 9x. Now we completed the first side of the equation. Now let's move on to the next side, this side. We do the same. First, we multiply the 5 inside the bracket, and then we do the adding and subtraction. Now we write equals here. 5 multiplied by x equals 5x. Good. And then 5 multiplied by 5 equals 25. Good job. And then plus 2a. Very good. Now, we have x and a. Remember that. Don't forget these variables. Now, let's work out things together. Now, we have 5x, 2a, and 25. Can we solve them together? We can't. So we leave them as they are. So we write them here next to this one. 5x plus 25 plus 2a here. And then we use them with this side. Now we have two sides of the equation. Now we can work numbers together and letters or variables together. First, we have the negative 9x. We can take it to this part by addition. When we move a variable or a constant from one side to another, we have to change the sign. Now, if it's positive, we're going to make it negative. If it's negative, we're going to make it positive. If it's multiplied, we're going to divide. If it's divided, we're going to multiply. Now, this one is negative 9x. So on the other side, it's going to be positive 9x. Very good. Let's do it here. Positive 9x. and then we have positive 5x here. And then, same idea for this number here, or the constant. We're going to take it to the other side, and it's positive, so it's going to be negative in the other side. So, I'm going to take the 25 first. We write the equal sign here. So 25 is going to be negative. So we're going to write 41, negative 25. Good. Now, we took this to that side, so we don't write it again. And we took this to that side, so we don't write it again. Now, what's after the 25? We have 2a. So we write plus 2a. Now, here, we have two constants. 41 minus 25. 41 minus 25 equals what? You can use the calculator for that. Very good. It equals 16. Good job. So we write 16 here on this side. Let's make it next to the equal sign. So 16 equals here. We have 9x plus 5x. Both of them are positive. So the sign will be positive. 9 plus 5 is what? Very good. It's 14. 14x. And then plus 2a. And this is the final equation. By solving this equation, we simplified it as we can. So 2a plus 14x equals 16. You can simplify it more by dividing all sides on 2. But you don't have to do this. It's okay. You can stop at this step. And this is how you solve equations like that. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.